Hello. So this video I'm just gonna be going over more Roblox scripting stuff. I don't really have a plan for this video, so I'm just gonna go, I guess. Uh hmm. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a sticky bomb. Yeah, alright. So first let me see. I should probably get a starter GUI. Okay, so GUI, it's whatever's on the screen. I'm gonna add something into this. So as you can see, this is a button, and when you click on it, it activates something. Now I'm gonna have a script in here, and I'm gonna say script local player. First, I'm gonna make sure the script knows who the owner is, like the owner of the script, because what starter GUI does is it copies everything in this into every single player's GUI. So when I start the game, I'm a little bit sick. When I start the game, you'll see that I have player GUI, and inside of player GUI, there's this, the GUI I added earlier. So that's that. Um, Local player equals. So this is getting the script's parent, and then the parent of the script's parent. So now it's getting screen GUI, and then parent again. And it's getting the starter GUI, which will actually be player GUI dot parent, and that'll be the player. So it's getting the text button, and there's an event whenever you click on it. No, not when you click on it. When you release the click, that is called mouse button 1 up, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Wait, yeah, yeah. Uh, Anyways, so this is the event, and I have to connect it, and then turn it into a turn it into a function, and then do that. And so now I want to get a part and make that part explode very soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this part here. And then I'm going to add in a script. And this is just to make an explosion. So I'm just gonna make a function. What a function does is you can make a local or global function. Remove the local if you want to make it global, and it's basically just a piece of code that you can save for later. So like I'm gonna do this, and then if I call it somewhere else, to call it you just get the name and then the parentheses at the end. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. So and then I'm just gonna have it like so wait like 1 or something. No, like 3. 3, and then I'm just gonna make it explode. Yeah. Okay. So now this part should, once I wait 3 seconds, it should. There it is. There it goes. So yeah. Um. That. Yeah. Uh. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clone this part. I'm gonna call this like sticky bomb or something. And then I'm gonna have it so that parent dot touched connect function. Okay. So I'm gonna first check if the if it is touching a player, and if it's touching a player, it won't stick. So the anchored property just makes it anchored. If you don't already know that, yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna have this create a clone of the sticky bomb, as I already told you. I'm gonna put this in the replicated storage, because I don't know, it's a nice place to go. Oh, I'm not sure if I've gone over this before, but this little thing can call a function, or I think that's all it can do actually. But you can also call a function with this. But if most built-in functions, or some of them, uh, it yeah, you can use this to call the function. Not can, but have to. For a clone, destroy. Destroy just destroys the part and everything under it. Uh, parent. Okay. So player.character, even though technically the player does not have anything in it called character, the character is going to be in the workspace. So it's going to be my workspace character. The player you cannot actually see in the workspace. I'm getting the humanoid root part. Uh, so C frame stands for coordinate frame. It's position. I think something's position and orientation, which means rotation, like amount in 3D space. And then look vector is like where it's looking at as a vector. I'm gonna multiply this by 20 because I'm not exactly sure how this works, but this adds power. So it's like the player throwing it, you know. And then I'm gonna add like, so the vector 3, it is in you make it in XYZ. So uh I'm just adding 30 to the velocity of this. Okay, I'm making sure it's a little bit above the player so it doesn't like glitch through the player, and also so it doesn't touch the ground immediately. Okay, I'm just gonna test this now. Ooh, whoa. Uh, what went wrong? I'm just checking if whatever it touches, if its name is Bomba, just so that if I summon multiple bombs, it will not go crazy. Huh? What happened? Okay. Okay. I'm debugging right now. Prince is a very good way to debug. I'm seeing if what? Candy cane hat. Oh. What is teeth? Let's see this. Pretzel friend sitting. And it's inside of candy cane hat? What? Yeah, what? How does... I need to look at this. Uh... How? I just need to... What did I do? Oh. So... Alright, I have no idea what's going on. Because the candy cane hat is right inside of my character. So I don't know how this, the parent of this, is not... Uh... Hmm. Okay. Remove these two parents and see what the bug is. Oh, it's touching the handle. There we go. Should work now. So I did say I was gonna make these sticky bombs. And here's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna have another button. What? Sure. I'm gonna have an image button here. I'm not gonna put an image in there though. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a local script in here. So a local script, what it does, it is different from a normal script in that it runs like on the player's side. So a local script can it can, like, there are certain things that, like, if a player edits something, the server can't see, but the local side can see. Um, this specifically, what I'm going to do is use it to send a message to the server. To send a message, you use a remote event. I'm going to call this, I'm just going to call it remote event. So, it's kind of just the same thing as this. Except what's really nice about local scripts is that you do not have to do this stupid little thing. Instead, you can do game.players.localPlayer. So what this does is it just gets whatever player the local script is running for. You cannot do this on a module or normal script, but local scripts have this little thing. So anyways, I'm gonna say when it gets clicked, game.replicate storage dot remote event dot fire wait no yes fire server wait what fire server yes. So fire server, it sends a message from the client to the server. So, and then Fire client sends a message from the server to the client. Now, this remote event is just kind of there. Like, if you say Fire server, nothing's gonna happen with it. The remote event is not a script. So instead, what this does is it causes this to send a message to all the local scripts, which in turn will then do something about this event. The event by itself, just firing, doesn't do anything. Okay, so game.replicate storage.remote event on server event. This is checking for the whenever basically what is this is saying is whenever the server gets fired, meaning from a client, something's gonna happen. So connect function uh okay, and then script.parent destroy. You already know what it does. All right, here we go. Let's see if this works. Boom! Oh yeah. Okay, this should be anchored now. Nice. That's really nice. Okay. Don't worry about it. Woo! Nice. Wait, hang on. What if I made it, what if I... Oh, that's kind of boring. Alright then. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you feel it. Bye. After I blow this all up. Oh yeah. Bye.